Hi, I'm Michael, and we're cooking some food. Okay, we got some gyro, mifan, dan, shan, some swan. We got jang, holobo, kong, wando. So now it's time to chi gyro. So we gotta turn it on to high. Yeah, we're turning on to high. We gotta let the oil sit for a little bit. Well, head now we add gyro. So we're gonna cook this for about 2 to 2 minutes. Now we put the chicken in the bowl, the gyro in the bowl. Now it's time to cook the kong ming and the shu kai. So first we add some kong ming. Let's turn this on first. On high. We add some onions. And how? We let this cook first. And how cheers. Now we add the jiang and swan. Happy Memorial Day, everyone. Now we add some whole little boat. Now we add the peas. So when I said peas, I meant wando. And now we add in the rice. Some good jasmine rice. Some mifan, actually. I know my stuff. Got A in the third, and fourth quarter. Now we add some more kung ming and the spice. Here's some Lego. Yep. Looks amazing. I'm a chef. World-class chef. This is where we turn it off. Yeah. It's getting a little hot. Can't have stuff burning. Add some jangyo. Yeah, it's jangyo. You can just hear the flavor bubbling. And now we add the best part. The chicken. Chicken gyro. We add some gyro, as one may say. And we add the dian. And we are all done, folks. We are about to have our guests try the meal. Who am I here with?
Mikey D.
And what do we have here today?
We have some rice and chicken.
Okay.
Fried rice. Oh, this is amazing.
You like it?
Yes, amazing.
Well, and how? Sure.
And how too, yes.
Perfect. That's all, folks.